Okay, hi guys. Again, this is day 5 of the demos I'll be doing for my sketchbook. The new book I have out, which is called Addictive, right? And it's an artist sketchbook. And here I show you the way I went about some of the sketches I did. So today we're going straight to page 15. I've got it all marked out. And it's just this very quick sketch here. You can see it. I sketched it from London Bridge to Cannon Street. Now, London Bridge to Cannon Street is like 9 minutes. Okay, so it's not a long journey. But again, I'll do it faster than that. But this is to show you that even though it looks quickly done doesn't mean that I've done it fast. Okay, so let's go. So the first thing, this one, I think I use a lot of organic lines. So watch the way I go about this one. So organic lines is just when I go around the sketch, just around with a light touch, until I'm sure. And these lines are very wavy lines, okay? Very wavy lines. I just take my time. Now it's an angle, so I'm gonna go for an angle there because I need that angle right. And I'm just gonna bring this one down, okay? Now, whenever it comes to the eye socket, I always quickly make an eye kind of like a C, and then I pull a straight line down, and that kind of cuts the tangent out because it's almost like the skull in that area. Okay, there's very little information I have on his cheekbone, but it just shows how very little information you need to get a sketch to really look good. Now, a couple of lines just to show the back of his head. And the most beautiful thing is the way the side of his hair just comes down right here. These are curves, right? And then straight on, I'm able to pull one line here, and then pull that one down from his beard here. Pick this one up. This line is just forming the jawline sort of, and then back to the beard, his beard line. The air, because I don't really have much time, the air is just quickly made into this, and then the under bit of the air, that's where the action is, and I just pull that up. I think I've overdone that there. And then the back of his head, the line goes down. This is all at the back, and now we go for the shading. Now, very quickly, I love hatching. You must have noticed this, and do it very lightly and practice a lot. So you can see me following the form, bringing it down, just going around. And then here, because his hair goes back, I've always told you I shade the hair in the movement, and do this very lightly. Don't overwork it, very lightly. And then the side of the pencil now, which is my broad stroke thing, you can see the difference this broad stroke makes. Just watch how it goes. And I think he had this kind of like plaits at the back, which I wasn't able to put in, but I'm just gonna do that in a very loose way. And then here I'm gonna just hone on to it right here. Just hone on. You can see how the sketch kind of like is already kind of what I really need in it is out. And then I think I darkened this a little bit. And then now I go for some heavy lines. And those heavy lines, watch how I don't put much information near the eye, but I'm just going to add it here. I know I didn't do it in the sketch, but from experience, I can just put that in as the eye. Under the nose, I've enhanced that around here. Yep, I hardly put anything because if I don't see it, I'm not going to sketch it. So probably I didn't see it on the day. I'm going to darken the jaw, and boom, and then darken this area where the forehead goes in. Yeah, this is a very brief sketch, and this is how I would have gone about this sketch from London Bridge to Cannon Street on the 11th of August 2018. I think I called myself the sketch machine. Well, that's what we always need to be. We need to be sketch machines. So I'm just going to put that here. Sketch machine. I always say these things just to encourage myself, like, I'm a sketch machine. I'm just going to be sketching, stuff like that. So I have that, and this will be day 5. Thank you, guys. Hi, guys. This is day 6. Remember, it's all about sketches from my latest book, Addictive. And today we're going to be working on page 31. Page 31. Remember, the reason why I do these sketches is because the latest book is not instructional. But if you've got the book and you really want to be inspired, you want to know how did he go about them. So that's why I'm sharing. And I can just open any page and do any sketch from it. So let's go straight into this lady here. It's a profile, because sometimes you might see someone and you wonder, how will I go about it? So here we go. So this is the first thing I've thought about, is to get the top of that head, that shape here. Like, look at that, wing. So just go straight, that's it. And then there's another line that comes down, boom. Then there's an angle that goes in, bang. That angle is what creates the side of her forehead. And then a lovely little peel there gives like a nice bit of her nose. The nose I track down again. Another angle puts me in, straight off. Then I notice her mouth. These angles, once you can know how a line tilts, you'll always be able to get some really good angles. And then I stop. Now, next thing, always remember this, the way I go about the eye. So it's like a C, always put in the C, because it's like this, the skull has a socket. And I'm always looking for the under part, because that's where the lashes are. Most of these people are either sleeping or reading. That's why their eyes are closed. I just want you to note that, because you might be saying, how comes none of them have open eyes? Because I'm really sketching these people right there and then, and it's the mood they're in that I normally follow. Now I'm going to find a way and capture. So you notice I've changed the way I hold a pencil. So I'm just going to capture the side of her hair there, and just a little bit there, and down and around here, and just pull this right down. You can see how I've gone very light with this pencil now, and I'm just going to bring the hair right down like that, just all over right there. Now, when I've got this, I'm now going to do the side of the head, which had a lot of dark tones, just to bring out the beauty of the profile. So I'm just going to go straight. This again, broad stroke, just the side, broad stroke, broad stroke. So you notice the broad strokes, they're just going in, nice broad strokes to make this really look good, really nice broad strokes. When it gets to the end of the mouth, really make that happen around there. Nice broad strokes, just carefully making sure that it brings out the beauty of the side of, and don't press hard. That's the other thing, don't press hard, just keep going, keep going, keep going, and down. And then here, I just do the top of the head here. I think I had a little, maybe there was something at the back there, so I'm just gonna do that by the side. Yep, just by the side. I think there was just a little bit of a something there. Now her hair, very good again. Remember, I do the hair according to how it moves. So you can see me, if I see a movement, I follow it. This one seemed to go out and around, and then this one just goes right over. A few strokes, and it's, you know, you can really give an impression of hair. Now watch the bottom bit where the hair goes down. Ding, 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 ding. Just quick, quick, quick. And then this is where the bottom of her chin goes down. There's a little nostril feel there. Just put that in with a curve. Top of the lip, bottom, whoop, that cracked. And I haven't got a sharpener here, so I'm just going to continue with another brown pencil. Yep, no wasting of time. So just go on, just change the pencil. And then now I'm going to go for her eyebrows. Quickly getting that tone in for the top of her head, and a little bit of her hair shows out there. You know, it's not that much if you notice. Then now, even though this doesn't show much on the sketch, I'm going to carefully carve her cheekbone. And these hatches, if you watch just carefully, following the form under her eye, around her eye there, following this. This just light, all this stuff is lightly done. I'm going to correct the chin here because it's a bit longer here. Just little things. And the side of her forehead, just side of her forehead there. And yeah, voila. So that's another one you can see there, which is, this will be day 6. So I've done day 5 and day 6 together because I missed out those. Hope you enjoy these quick sketches from my latest book, Addictive, which is an artist sketchbook. See, in this sketchbook, I share what Search Press did, which I really appreciate, is that they took one of my best sketchbooks and just took it from the beginning to the end with all sketches. So if you're the guy that really wants to be inspired by sketching, this is that book to get. Like, there's endless, every page, no spaces left. Oh well, there might be some, but you know what I mean. Just sketch, 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 draw, draw, draw. So that's day 6. And remember, keep sketching. Let's do that thing. Let's do it, because we know it helps us to improve. And don't forget, if you haven't got the first book, that's the Addictive Sketcher. A lot of the techniques I'm sharing were treated at the beginning of this book. Like, you're going to be hearing me talking about angles. Just going to show you where I deal with that. That's the angles when I'm showing what moves, and it makes more sense. And I use this sculptural bust to do a demo with the angles. And look, all I'm trying to say, get the book and use these as a guide. Thank you.